let's be honest. Who doesn't dream of owning a gorgeous luxury SUV? But there's always that nagging fear, right? The horror stories about repair bills that can turn that dream into a financial nightmare. What if you could get the luxury, the comfort, and the status without the constant worry? Well, we've dug through the data to find the 7 2026 luxury SUVs engineered for ultimate reliability. These are the models you can actually buy and drive forever. Let's jump in. Kicking off our list at number 7 is a name that's basically a synonym for safety and clean Scandinavian design, the 2026 Volvo XC90. For years, the XC90 has been the default choice for families wanting a mix of luxury, style, and a quiet, comfortable ride. It's a choice that feels both responsible and a little indulgent. The 2026 model carries on this legacy, earning its spot with robust safety engineering and durable powertrain options. Volvo's obsession with safety is legendary, and the XC90 consistently pulls in top ratings from organizations like the IIHS and NHTSA, which points to a machine that is fundamentally solid. The XC90's reliability is helped by its B5 and B6 mild hybrid powertrains, which are designed to be smooth and efficient, reducing long-term stress on the engine, while its JD Power Quality and Reliability score is noted as fair at 68 out of 100. Its real-world performance and safety and structural integrity keeps it on our list for those who see safety as the ultimate luxury. So who's this for? It's for the family-focused pro who wants a 3-row SUV that's a fortress for their loved ones but doesn't skimp on elegance. A couple of things to watch for. Some drivers find the ride a bit firm, especially with the larger wheels, and some feel the infotainment screen looks a bit like an afterthought. Still, for durable, safe, and stylish family transport, the XC90 is a trusted pick. Next up at number 6 is the 2026 Genesis GV80. In just a few short years, Genesis went from the new kid on the block to a major player in the luxury world, and the GV80 shows you why. It wins people over with its balanced handling, a ton of standard features, and a design that really turns heads. But what gets it on a drive forever list is the manufacturer's incredible confidence, shown through its outstanding warranty. That warranty isn't just marketing, it's a company putting its money where its mouth is on long-term durability. JD Power backs this up, giving the 2026 model a great quality and reliability score of 83 out of 100. Owners consistently report being happy with the vehicle's comfort and head-turning style. The GV80 is for the buyer who wants to make a smart, informed luxury choice that feels ahead of the curve. They appreciate both the latest tech and the peace of mind that a long-term powertrain warranty brings. You can get it with a solid 300 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder or a beefier 375 horsepower twin turbo V6. While Genesis has built a strong reputation, some owners have noted minor issues like interior rattles or HVAC system quirks, though these are typically handled under warranty. But with its blend of style, a great reliability score, and a class-leading warranty, the GV80 is a powerful contender for long-term luxury. Coming in at number 5 is a name you might not expect on a list about ultimate reliability, but the numbers don't lie. The 2026 Porsche Cayenne. Porsche has been relentless in making its SUVs more practical and dependable, and owners report that the Cayenne is often more trouble-free than its premium rivals. JD Power gives the 2026 Cayenne a great score of 83 out of 100 for quality and reliability, putting it firmly among the most dependable in its class. Look, this isn't about finding the cheapest oil change. It's about premium engineering that's built to last, even when you're driving it like, well, a Porsche. The range of engines is impressive, from strong V6s to high-performance V8s and even advanced plug-in hybrids. There's even a future turbo-electric model set to be the most powerful Porsche ever. This is the SUV for the enthusiast who refuses to compromise. They need the utility of an SUV but demand the soul of a sports car. A potential downside is the cost of ownership. Even a reliable Porsche comes with premium parts and service bills. But for those who can swing it, the Cayenne delivers a level of performance and durability that its competitors struggle to match. Our number 4 pick pulls off something really tricky. It's incredibly fun to drive and has excellent reliability scores. It's the 2026 BMW X5. BMW calls itself the ultimate driving machine, and the X5 actually lives up to that hype. From behind the wheel, it feels more like a sports sedan, but it's also a supremely comfortable and capable family hauler. Crucially, the engineering backs up the experience. The X5 scores a great 81 out of 100 for quality and reliability from J.D. Power. A big reason for that is the legendary B58 inline-6 engine, a motor so good, so reliable that Toyota handpicked it for the new Supra. That's a serious vote of confidence. This is the SUV for the person who loves driving but needs SUV practicality. They don't want to choose between a fun weekend car and a daily driver. The X5 is both. Powertrain options are plentiful, from smooth, mild hybrids to a powerful plug-in hybrid that can go nearly 40 miles on electricity alone. To be fair, out-of-warranty repairs on a BMW can get pricey, but with a strong history of owner satisfaction and a reputation for bulletproof engines, the 2026 BMW X5 is how you own a driver-focused luxury SUV with total peace of mind. Climbing to number 3 is a vehicle that has become the benchmark for smart, 3-row luxury, the 2026 Acura MDX. Built in Ontario, the MDX has a rock-solid reputation as a reliable, well-built family SUV that's also surprisingly fun to drive. It's super power. Incredible bang for your buck. The MDX gives you a true luxury experience with lower operating costs than many of its European competitors. Acura's reputation for reliability is a direct extension of its parent company, Honda, and the MDX delivers. While its overall owner recommendation is positive, its real strength is its core engineering. Acura includes a 6-year / 70,000-mile powertrain warranty and complimentary maintenance for the first 2 years, which adds serious long-term value. This is the perfect SUV for the savvy family leader who needs 3 rows, but isn't willing to pay an unnecessary premium for a badge. They want comfort, style, and safety, all backed by a history of dependability. If there's a knock against it, some owners find the interior's piano, black trim, scratches easily, and the tech can have a bit of a learning curve. But these are small complaints for an SUV that delivers so much worry-free luxury for the price. Our runner-up, taking the number 2 spot, is the legendary 2026 Lexus GX. This is the armored tank of luxury SUVs, and for good reason. Its secret weapon for long-term survival, it's built on a truck frame. Unlike the unibody platforms most luxury crossovers use, this provides immense strength for towing, off-roading, or just enduring decades of daily driving. This thing is fundamentally overbuilt for daily life, and that's exactly why we love it. The GX is for the owner who wants a vehicle that is completely unflappable. They might be an adventurer who actually goes off-roading, or just someone who values the peace of mind that comes from owning something built to survive anything. The new twin-turbo V6 is a powerhouse, and the full-time 4-wheel drive system is proven and tough. Inside, it's all Lexus, luxurious and packed with tech that separates it from more basic off-roaders. The trade-offs for all this toughness are mainly fuel economy, which is not its strong suit, and a ride that can be stiffer than its car-based rivals. The third-row seat is also pretty cramped, but for the buyer who wants an SUV, they know will start and run perfectly for hundreds of thousands of miles. The Lexus GX is almost impossible to beat. And now, our number one pick for the best luxury SUV to drive forever is the 2026 Lexus NX. Simply put, this is the gold standard for luxury ownership without the headaches. It does everything well, offering a smooth ride, a premium interior, and the legendary reliability that made Lexus an industry titan. It earns a fantastic 85 out of 100 reliability rating from J.D. Power, one of the best in its class. What makes the NX so great for the long haul is its wide range of dependable powertrains. You can get naturally aspirated engines, super efficient hybrids, and even a plug-in hybrid, all engineered for longevity. The hybrid models in particular are famous for their excellent fuel economy and low ownership costs. Owners consistently say the NX feels solid from day one and that weird electronic glitches and surprise repair bills are almost non-existent. It's not just us saying it. Over 88% of owners on Kelley Blue Book recommend the vehicle, praising its comfort and reliability. The Lexus NX is for the person who wants the complete package. They want modern luxury, tech that just works, and the ultimate confidence that their investment will stand the test of time. If there's one tiny complaint, it's that the base engines are more adequate than exciting, but that's a small price to pay for this level of dependability. For its unmatched combination of luxury, efficiency, and bulletproof reliability, the 2026 Lexus NX is our number one choice. And that's a wrap. 7 incredible 2026 luxury SUVs you can actually buy with confidence for the long haul. From the unstoppable Lexus GX to the fun-to-drive BMW X5 and the all-around champion Lexus NX, you now have the knowledge to own a luxury vehicle without the drama. It proves you can have the prestige and comfort you want, without the constant fear of what the next repair bill will look like. Which of these reliable SUVs would you pick? Are you going for the smart value of the Acura MDX or the pure performance of the Porsche Cayenne? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.